Read the card.
Read it loud.
We'll put the candy in your bucket.
You got candy? Oh, you're supposed to say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Here's Nico's trick or treat treasure hunt for Halloween. We're doing it inside this year because he doesn't feel good.
Okay.
This is so Halloween trick or treat. So as you hunt for your home, first go to the place where you keep your comb.
Okay, do what it says.
Where do we keep your comb?
Do what it says.
Okay.
Put all your stuff in the bucket if
Okay,
you want.
put it in the bucket. Then take your bucket and go do what the card told you.
Okay.
Take your glow stick. You might need it.
Mm-hmm.